All right, it's week 6, and this is going to be a quick preview video for you to show you what we're going to work on in reading systems and System 44 this week. You're going to need your 44 book, this big white one that looks like this, and we're going to be on pages 14 and 15 in the first half of the week, and 16 and 17 in the second half of the week. So on Monday, we're going to be reading this text called Applying for College that looks like, let's see if I can get it to back up. It looks like this, and I don't want it to display all the answers. That's not cool. All right. So it's called Applying to College, and the thing that I like about this text is that it could be applied to anything, not just college. Anything that you want that you have to plan for, prepare for, and then apply for is going to be relevant to this text because you need to be considering the kinds of things that we'll learn about here. We're also going to be working on analyzing some particular words, the orange words. I'll guide you through that when we do it on Monday. We're going to be answering some text-based questions. On the next day, we are going to be still on Monday, we're going to be preparing for an application and answering some key details. One of our learning targets this week is going to be identifying the central idea or the key idea and also supporting details. Just like when we practice arguments, writers are using evidence to back up their claim or their central idea. So if you can do it when writing, we can also do it when reading to more deeply understand the text. On Thursday, we're going to jump to our SMART lesson. And this might seem a little strange for some of you, but a lot of us could always use some practice in the fundamentals of reading. So we're going to be looking at blending some sounds into words. This is a skill that if you don't learn will continue to cause problems for you in terms of fluency and reading speed. So we're going to look at blending these sounds together. It's pretty simple, but it's a good review lesson and will help us strengthen our basics. It does continue on to the next page, onto page 17 as well. Okay? So that's what we're going to be working on in our 44 book. If we finish that stuff, if you guys are super fast and skilled, we're going to be beginning to write an informative paragraph that asks what can help you get into college. So instead of an argument, this is going to be informative. It's a slightly different way of writing, but we'll get there when we get there. On Wednesday, we're going to continue our practice of analyzing a text to find its key components and then responding to that story with an opinion or an argument and a paragraph of our own. The only assignments that you're going to have to do on Canvas for me this week are the attendance check-in on Wednesday and the Writer's Workshop number 3, which will be done either on the computer asynchronously at home or with me. Those are both graded, so you want to make sure that you've turned them in. If you have any questions or you need help or you don't have one of the materials, just let me know and I'll find a way to get them home to you. I'll see you soon.